Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope you're all having an amazing day. This is Creativity and Inspiration, and I'm Lisa. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day. So this is the bonus video I had told you about on the last video, the tuck spots and corner pages. How did you guys like that? Those corner things, those are amazing. I love them. But anyway, today's video is an art haul, and I'm super excited because, well, I just haven't gotten new art stuff, like major new art stuff, in a while. And I'm kind of I'm kind of surprised that, I've had art in shows across the country from West Coast to East Coast, from north to south, and it's an amazing feeling. I've been an artist my whole life, but of course, when I was in college, you didn't go to college to be an artist. I don't know. And there wasn't digital art, okay? All of that was just starting computers and everything. And so, if, oh, you want to be an artist on the weekend, but you need a good job. So I just kind of dabbled, and, I had my kids, so things I did were more like paint their room, paint furniture, that kind of stuff. And I started doing it again during COVID, and then I found out, oh, you can submit. Okay, I'll submit. First thing I submitted to, I got chosen, and it blew my mind. So anyway, I'm trying to level up my art supplies because I paint with acrylic paints that are 98 cents. And I'm up against artists using very, very expensive paintings. So I'm never going to be an artist that can afford very, very expensive paint and supplies. I just won't be. But I have gotten a few things, and I wanted some more sketchbooks because I want to start a daily sketchbook exercise, because that's how you get better. And I do want to improve faces and hands, the hard things. I'm all self-taught. I've never had any classes except, what you got in high school and elementary school. Anyway, let's jump into this video, and I'm going to share all the art stuff, not just what just came in, but all the art stuff I've gotten recently that's like new, that I'm learning new techniques. And like I said, it's just going to hopefully, it'll just make my paintings even better. So I just got this, and this is golden paint, and this is very exciting. It was on sale, and this is some of the best acrylic paints a lot of big artists paint with. So I'm excited. They're heavy bodied. I'm just super excited about them. I also got modeling paste and impasto, which you mix in, and it's supposed to give your acrylic paint texture and body. I've never used impasto, so I'm playing with it and all of that. I also got this book, How to Mix Paint Recipes. This is a great book, and I'm very excited to have it, and I know it's going to come in handy because artists don't buy every color, they mix it. And you learn about different depths and different values. And so have never gone to art school, that'll come in really, really handy. Okay. So I got these micron pens for ink drawing. This is all charcoal pencils, loose charcoal. It's all charcoal because I want to start drawing with charcoals. This is a landscape sketchbook. This is a landscape sketchbook, so it opens long ways, so I think that'll be fun. It's a good size. This is Gosh, Gouch paints, and I am super excited about this. Oh my gosh. This is like a huge deal. Let's see if I can open this real quick. And I'm hoping you guys want to see the video on paint on Friday, because I really want to talk more about this and show you examples, because I'm going to start using this. But it's such a nice little set. Comes with a mixing tray. Then they come in, oh, it's got some little brushes, and they come in these little pots of paint. They're very vibrant, very beautiful colors, and yeah, I'm just super pumped about this. Not gonna lie. Then I just got some tiny brushes because I like to do detailed work. Then I got some more graphite pencils. This is some I've had these. They're almost all worn down. And I got a large mixed media sketchbook, which I think is amazing. Pen, pencil, and watercolor. Wet and dry media, so it'll do everything. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Like I said, I want to start a sketching practice. And then this is a pencil and pen sketchbook. Also very excited about this. I have a watercolor pads too for watercolor, so I have watercolor paper there. So guys, that's my art haul. Of course, that's my art haul. I'm very excited. Like I said, this is the first time I've really ever invested in myself as an artist, and I'm over 50. So it's an exciting new journey, and hopefully, you know, I get more and more art accepted. Maybe soon you'll go somewhere and see my art. Dream big, right? Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. Don't be surprised if I work in a couple more bonus videos throughout the rest of the year with some type of art content in it. And again, if you want to see that video on different types of paints, their different properties, how they work on paper, drying times, and so much more, comment paint below. Bye-bye.